Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is D.O.P. I hope you're doing good, you do okay. Today we're going to talk about color management. You know, I know you guys have been struggling about color science, especially when you come into converting or translate the language from color science. I mean the language from the camera to our screen, which is Rec 709. So without me go there, I want to present my masterclass tutorial, which is from this video. As you can see on the screen, when we open up DaVinci Resolve, you can see there's a project from this woman's. It's a beautiful project and a very beautiful video, and the color is very amazing. So I hope you guys, you're not gonna miss this masterclass. You have to buy this tutorial. It's gonna help you a lot because I've done a color grading from start to finish, show how I import this project because I received this project from South Africa, so it's come all the way over to Tanzania, and I've done the magic. So how I received the project, how I dictate the codes, how I import the projects from Premiere Pro into DaVinci Resolve, and how I color grade and export it and send to the clients, and the way they're very excited about the grades. So it's explain everything. So I never even skip anything. So you're going to see everything how I did a color grading. So in our tutorial, as I told you before, we're going to talk about color space management. You know, color management. So it's something like that. So we're not going to do the often way that we used to do. So today we're going to do a different way. So how we do color space, how we translate our camera into a screen, how we convert our low profile into Rec 709. So pay more attention. This is more professional. So yeah, the professional colorists, they often like to do this way. And additional, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a better saturations using HSL saturation. So you know about it. If you don't know about it, the recent tutorials I used to teach about HSP, but today we have another style, which is HSL. It's working similar as HSP, but it's kind of bit different. You can adjust it by using a curve. I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So let's jump in on our color grading tutorial. Okay, now we are into DaVinci Resolve, and without doing anything so further, so what I'm about to do is go straight to my defaults, my setting knob right here, and coming to they come to color management. As you can see, the color science, timeline color space, output color space, you can see the way it is. You can see like that. Don't worry about it. So what I'm about to do is going straight to DaVinci YRGB color manage, which is I'm going to manage my color space and my color process mode, which is my tools that I'm going to use, how I want this to work, how I want this to be more, you know, that how I want this to be more sensitive. Or yeah, there's a two type of controlling it, SDR and HDR. So you go choose your own format that you want to use, but to me I kind of like HDR. But yeah, but to output color space I go leave it like that. So my inputs, which is color process mode, I'm going to use HDR for my tools, but my output color space I go leave it SDR because I want my client to receive something cool. Yeah, I don't want to ruin my dynamics. So I'm going to save, but you not go see any changes. So how we can make the changes? Go straight to your clip, let it click, and then you can change the input color space. So I'm going to choose, this was red bergamot, so I'm going to look at red bergamot. Let's see the red bergamot where it is, right? Red. So yeah, red, like this one. Let me try this one. But I think not this one. Let me click this one and see how it look. Not this one. Yeah, You know, this was red. It was a red dragon, so I'm going to look at red dragon. This one, red white gamuts RGB log 3G10. This one is perfect. When I do it, it converts my footage into Rec 7, and don't worry about the exposure because the picture was shot in full of exposure. But if I go to another picture like this one, you see the changes. You see the changes of my my clip, the way they look now. So now it's in our color space mode. So yeah. So what I'm about to do is coming right here and control my exposure suite. Right to my tools. Look at how very sensitive it is. How it is very sensitive. You see now how it's very sensitive. Yeah. Every time I do such thing, it's very sensitive. You know, I can't do so much. I can't do too much in here, and we got the changes. So if I want to control my my contrast, I can do so. You see the pictures looking very beautiful. This is where we control our color space through our color space transformation. This is how we control color space transformation through our color space management. So right on the screen, I'm going to show you the difference from color space transformation use color management and color space transformation using the normal color space plugins, 30 plugins of X that you used to know, and you can see the difference. So right now, let's analyze the difference. This is before color space, and this is after color space. You see now how they look. Okay, and this is before color management, and this is after color management. You see how color management, where it work, and you see color space, how it work. It's very different and amazing. So I hope you guys, you go do a professional color list. You go do a professional color list style. It's beautiful. It's very complicated, so you have to take a lot of time to practice on it and to know better about it. So if you want to know better about it, there is also a masterclass about color management. I have 3 video masterclass which tells everything about color grade. So if you are the beginner, you have to start doing color grade like as Director Kim. You can contact me. I will tell every information about how to get the masterclass, and also about this project masterclass, which is only have one video that I did a color grade from start to finish. You can pay only $25. That's the price. Never go less or never get more. So I hope you guys go buy my masterclass. See you guys on next tutorial. This was good and this was nice. It's been a while. If you see me busy, you know, I'll busy work on something, but always allowed to come in with the new stuff. See you on next video.